For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. We have the National Weather Bulletin, the forecast for the next 24 hours. That's commencing 12th of December. There have been fair amount of weather activity over the northern parts, snow in the hills, rains in the plains, and also some unseasonal weather activity over the central parts. We have a look as to the weather features responsible for this activity and the outlook for these 24 hours. The western disturbance is very well marked. It's possibly the first very active western disturbance over the northern parts. As we see, it has caused widespread rain and snow in the hills as well as the plains of Punjab, Haryana, extending even up to Delhi region and foothills of Uttarakhand. They have this activity. Now this western disturbance has moved. It's shifted, but then still it is causing some weather activity over the hills. Plains will relatively get free now from significant weather activity as the day progresses, and then subsequently this system is going to move further towards the Himalayas. The cyclonic circulation which is there over the tri-junction of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, this is a little unseasonal feature, but it's an offshoot of the couple of system, the western disturbance as well as the cyclonic circulation over Punjab. And this is linked with the low pressure area which has been persisting in the Arabian Sea, southwest Arabian Sea adjoining southeastern Arabian Sea, and the outflow from this is extending to parts of Konkan, Gujarat, and this weather activity has extended even up to parts of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. There has been rainfall already, including over Mumbai, adjoining parts. Mumbai, Kolaba have already experienced rainfall for the last about 2 days, though light. Rainfall activity extended to parts of Gujarat, Veeraval, Mahua, Bhavnagar, even the interiors, Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Baroda and Surat, Valsad, they also had rainfall activity. Madhya Pradesh, the southwestern parts inclusive of Shajapur, Indore, Ujjain and the capital city Bhopal, and then neighborhood they had light to moderate showers, and this activity is going to extend further now to even 4 parts of Madhya Pradesh, possibly Jabalpur also will have some rain, and over parts of East Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh also likely to experience some light weather activity. The southern parts relatively are quiet. Only the extreme coastal parts possibly will have some light weather activity. That's parts of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, coastal cities only, absolutely light weather activity. As the system which is approaching, the cyclonic circulation, which is far away from the coast, low in latitudes, it is initially making to its way through Sri Lanka. It will take about another 3 days time or so when we expect this activity to pick up a little. With all these features, the weather activity over northern plains picked up in the wake of these systems now. Possibly we can expect the temperatures to drop to single digit at most places in the subsequent 48 hours, and also possibly thick to dense fog will be there at some places including Delhi region in these 48 hours. That's the weather update from Skymet. Keep watching for latest information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.